Hello guys! Welcome back po sa aking channel para tutorial video. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung 4 rules of gun safety. Alam nyo, napakahalaga ito kasi iisa lang ang ating buhay. So pag nagkamali tayo, lack of foresight, lack of skills, dahil lang sa paggamit ng baril, maaaring mawala ang nag-iisang buhay, right? So that is why we need foundation, and this is it. We need to know the 4 rules of gun safety. As a firearm holder or firearm owner, we need commitment. We must be responsible for our action. Kasi ang baril is, sabi nga, magandang kaibigan pero masamang kaaway. That is why kailangan natin pahalagahan ang 4 na rules of firearm safety. Para sa anong dahilan? No? In order to prevent sa tinatawag na accident, injury, or even death. So guys, sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please like, share, and subscribe my channel para tutorial video. So without further ado, let's start. Okay guys, number 1 po na rule ng gun safety is treat all guns as if they are always loaded. So as a firearm owner or firearm gun holder, we must be knowledgeable and responsible enough before handling firearms. Napaka-importante na yung baril dapat inspeksyonin muna natin. Dapat it shows that all guns are clear. So pag binigyan po tayo ng baril ng ibang tao, then natanggap natin, kailangan inspeksyonin muna natin and never assume that these firearms is wala pong bala. Kailangan always naisipin natin na ito ay may bala. Paano? Tingnan natin yung magazine feed niya. So nakita natin wala pong magazine. Let's say may bala, naka-insert yung magazine. No? Anong gagawin natin? I-release natin yung magazine. Then, pwede natin ilagay dyan. Pag na-release natin yung magazine, tingnan natin yung chamber. Okay? So, walang bala na ka-insert sa chamber. So, walang chamber load. Meaning, these firearms is all clear. So, pwede na natin i-squeeze yung trigger. Okay? So that's how we treat firearms as if they are always loaded. At guys, in addition with sa rule number 1, kung binigyan po tayo ng baril ng ibang tao, especially yung baril is medyo unfamiliar sa atin, huwag po tayong magpa-as if na marunong tayo sa mechanism ng baril. Humingi po tayo ng assistance or help to those who are knowledgeable, who will demonstrate us the correct usage of that particular firearm. Okay guys, number 2 na rule. Never let the muzzle of the gun cover anything that you are not willing to destroy. Ano ba ito? Yung rule number 2, it pertains to critical thinking to firearm safety. Napakahalaga yung situational awareness natin dito. As a firearm holder or firearm owner, it is our responsibility to always point the gun in a safe direction. No? So, kailangan i-determine natin yung environment. Kung saan tayo, indoor ba tayo or outdoor. Dito sa akin, ako lang nag-iisa. So, pag hinawakan ko yung baril, pwede kong i-point dyan, pwede kong i-point dyan, pwede kong i-point dyan, pwede kong i-point dyan, kasi walang tao. So, let's say, may mga tao dito. Yung point ng baril, dito lang. Dito lang. No? Never kang mag-point dyan kasi may tao dyan. No? So, that's how we treat firearms following the rule number 2 of gun safety. Okay? Okay guys, number 3 po na rule ng gun safety. Keep your finger off the trigger until your sight are on the target and you have made the decision to shoot. Alam nyo, napakahalaga yung importance ng trigger finger. This is your index finger and it is also your trigger finger. No? Napaka-importante ito kasi pag hinawakan mo yung baril, if you made physical contact with the firearm, no? Hinawakan dito yung baril, hindi puputok yung baril. Pag hinawakan mo dito yung baril, puputok ba ang baril? Hindi. Pag hinawakan mo dito, puputok ba ang baril? Hindi po. Kasi the only thing na puputok yung baril is you have to squeeze the trigger using your index finger or your trigger finger. Kaya sa rule number 3, yung trigger finger will be your safety finger if you follow the rule number 3. No? Kung wala kang intensyon na gamitin yung baril to shoot anything, no? Ganito yung paghawak ng baril, no? Your trigger finger will place straight, no, along the side of the frame. Ganito, no? Hindi siya ganito. Dapat diyan siya sa side of the frame ng baril, no? Ito yung frame ng baril. So guys, if your sight is on the target at mayroon ka ng decision to shoot anything, that's the time po na yung trigger finger dapat naka-place na dito sa trigger ng baril at saka kalabitin yung gatilyo. That's how we give important the rule number 3 of gun safety. Pang-apat po na rule ng gun safety is be sure of your target and what lies behind it. No? It is very important, and as a firearm holder or firearm gun owner, we must be responsible for everything, for our surrounding, for the environment. No? Kailangan dito yung situational awareness before we make decision to shoot. Kung barilin ko yung target, no? Kung barilin ko yung target, yung bala is pwedeng makatama sa isang matigas na bagay and it will ricochet. May mga tao dyan sa gilid. So, may possibility na pag nag-ricochet yung bala, tatama sa mga tao. Okay? Pag nabaril ko yung target, may possibility na tatagos at mayroong mga bahay dun behind my target, no? So it means there is a danger, no, behind your target. So kung may danger, wag tayong mag-decide na gamitin yung baril para iputok at kalabitin yung gatilyo, kasi maaring makapinsala tayo ng anumang bagay o tao. So that would constitute crimes. Tandaan po natin yan. So guys, that's all. No, yan po yung 4 na golden rule ng firearm safety. So sana po ay naliwanagan po kayo sa 4 rules of gun safety. So bonus rule po tayo, no? Hindi na ito parte ng 4 golden rule ng gun safety. So ano yung bonus rule? Secure your firearms from an authorized person, no? So always store firearms. Kailangan ilagay mo yung baril na malayo or hindi makita ng mga unauthorized person. Unauthorized person means yung mga kaibigan, mga anak natin sa bahay, mga unwanted visitors such as criminals. Itago natin ang baril sa isang ligtas na lugar na hindi maabot ng mga unauthorized person for safety purposes. So guys, I hope na yung video na to is nakatulong po sa inyo, and kailangan natin siguraduhin na bago po tayo gumamit, before we make contact with our own firearms, we must first adhere the 4 rules of gun safety para maiwasan natin yung tinatawag na aksidente. Maraming pong salamat sa panonood, and see you next time.